Jerry here. Before we get right into the video, I want to make sure you guys go straight to my YouTube homepage, click subscribe, then click on the little white bell right next to subscribe, which will notify you whenever I post a new YouTube video. And don't forget to like.
Drive it like I stole it. Double parking, bitch, you better not tow it. Yeah. Please show me on my opponent. I said, please show me on my opponent. Yeah.
Nah, I need to stay healthy. And this is definitely not healthy right here. So I can't have any of those. Okay, I know what I'm gonna. Thanks. Sit it over here. Okay, let's see how this looks. Oh wow. Yeah, this looks good. Definitely. Are you alright? No, wait, let me see you go. Let me see you go. Yeah, the sky got dark like really fast. So I guess we're gonna do it at the Y, I guess, you know?
Yeah. Y'all can go play ball inside. I have to check in.
Look at this wind. Oh man, you see the tree? Yeah, this is gonna be a big one. Hey guys, okay, so it started pouring outside. It was like really crazy and all this stuff. So we're at the Y right now, so we're gonna be doing, I guess we're gonna try to finish up here. So I don't even know, honestly, guys. So okay, so yeah, we went there to the Y for nothing. We went to the Y for nothing, pretty much.
So you want to go back to the park?
I would like to go. I would like to go back to the park just since it didn't start raining fully yet, and since the gym is closed, since the basketball court is closed at the Y. So
let's just go home, Jonathan. We have to come back.
Okay, we'll just go home then, I guess, and wait another time.
I'm tired. It's like we're forcing it. Like no matter what we do, there's always an obstacle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, come on, what's up?
That is true. Okay, so that sucks. Wait, why was the basketball court closed again?
This is camp.
Oh, cause camp.
Find out the schedule. We should have to take a book inside.
Okay.
To check out the schedule.
Like a full sprinting though, like, cause like I left.
Everybody was sprinting.
I don't know. I feel like I was the only one, but this like the sky looks intimidating though. So that's the only reason I was sprinting to the car. So I thought it was really gonna rain. But
Everybody's going with their car.
I know it's gonna start pouring soon. Mom, what are you doing? But it's raining. You could have asked me to do that.
Oh,
Like, you're crazy. Look at this storm. Look, I'm about to get back in the car. Sure you're safe, okay? Okay, so I'm just gonna end this vlog here, guys, because right now we're trying to get, it's really wet, like, everywhere in the house and all this stuff. So, yeah, we're gonna handle that. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and, yeah, my name's Kanjir, and I will see you guys when I see you guys. So, peace.